done top 5 niches for a while, and that's because I was doing the perfect niche. I will find one niche and dissect it, tell you where to find the interiors and everything about the niche, how well it's doing, how well it's selling per month, and all that. Like, but in this video, I want to go back to doing the 5 top niches because I searched using Fine Research, and I discovered around 5 niches inside the Valentine's Day umbrella niche, and that's what I want to talk about today. So we're gonna go back to episode 36. Yeah, this is the last time I did top 5 niches for KDP. So I'm going back to top 5 niches, episode 36. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Feature to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're gonna do the top 5 niches of the week, episode 36. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as usual, I use Flying Research for this research, and all of them are found within the Valentine's Day niche. So niche number 1 is this love coupon book. I've made an individual video about the love coupon book. If you haven't watched it, I recommend that you do. And it's just about 5 like encouraging things that couples should do. For example, go on a date night. So as you can see, this niche, this coupon love book, this one is for her. You can make the one for him. This coupon love book is doing has done more than 1,000 sales, and it shows that it's a new book. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. And overall trend is up, as you can see. The BSR, I think it was released January 24th or so. Let's take a look at it on Amazon. So I'm gonna click open in Amazon. So take a look at this right on Amazon. It's number 1 new release in love and romance. And let's take a look at when it was first uploaded. So it was, like I said, January 13, 2022. That's when it was first uploaded, because I could see that the BSR started like around January. So you can see there. So as you can tell, it's a relatively new book, and look at how well it is doing, guys. Look at estimated sales here, and look at the reviews. Over 1,000. Wait, 6 reviews, 6 ratings. Here is showing over 1,000 sales. Sorry about that. Over 1,000 sales and around 5 reviews or 6 reviews. So this number 1 niche is love coupon book for her. 50 coupons. You could do it for him also. And come here, I see 2 books, so let's take a look at it. Maybe it's the other one for him. Yeah. Let's take a look at that. Oh, this one's for the girlfriend. Anyway, if I were this person, seeing how well this one is doing, I would have made another one for him. That's just how you should do it. If you see that a book is doing quite well, make another one for another person in that same niche, and you market it, because I could tell that this is for her. So it was only logical to say another one for him, but unfortunately this person has made it and is really losing out on sales. So that was niche number 1. Niche number 2 is Dinosaurs Valentine's Day. This one is a picture book, ages 2 to 6, preschoolers, toddlers, and all the like. So this one too is doing quite well. Overall trend up, current trend is up, and it's a short story. Let me take a look inside, see how it is doing. So I'm gonna click on Amazon, open an Amazon, and take a look inside. So look inside. $8.99. Oh, it's just a story about dinosaurs. He said he wants to make sure that all his friends know exactly how much he cares about them and why they are so special. So it's a storybook related to Valentine's Day, which is quite thoughtful, especially for toddlers. Parents who want to give gifts and they don't know exactly what gift to give. This is very affordable gift. He loves Violet because she is super fast. She can catch anything. Quite thoughtful. Anyway, it's just reasons why dinosaurs love their friends, something like that. It's quite a an affordable book that parents or loved ones can purchase for their toddlers. And The number of pages is just 29, guys. 29 pages, and they are selling it at 8.99. So the royalties there is about 3 or 2, if I'm not mistaken. And look at the number of sales, guys. This is just crazy. So as you can see, you can create just one book and it's making you tons of sales. Niche number 3 is I Spy Valentine's Day Book, and it's also doing more than 1,000 sales. So all the niches that I picked are doing more than 1,000 sales. That's why I really wanted to talk about them, and it's related to the Valentine's Day. So this one is I Spy Valentine's Day Activity Book, and let's take a look at it. Overall trend is up, current trend is up. So if you haven't done a Spy Valentine's Day edition, you should do it. Although Valentine's Day is like what, 3 or 4 days away anyway. For the next Valentine's Day or the upcoming holiday, we can think about it and do the a spy version of that holiday. I think the next holiday, a huge holiday, is Mother's Day, if I'm not mistaken, or Easter. Yeah, Easter, I think. So you can do a spy Easter day book. So that's just what I was trying to explain before. That we should pick a niche and focus on it. For example, you can do you can focus only on a spy day versions of holidays, and I think you'll be able to rake in sales because holidays is a lot of purchases going on. So if you just focus on one niche and you build a brand around that niche, and yeah, you can definitely get in repeated sales because people notice your brand. So let's take a look at inside this book and see what is going on. Open in Amazon. So what kind of activities do they have here? This one is a number one bestseller, children's word games book, best for one. Let's take a look inside, see what's going on. So I spy with my little eye something beginning with A. So you have the A. I spy on my little eye an arrow. Oh, I spied an arrow. Oh, so there's A. Oh, A for arrow, like the object starts with an A in this picture. So you have an arrow. Uh, they give you the answers. Actually, it's a quite a lovely book. For Valentine's Day. I love you. Be my Valentine. Anyway, it's a nice idea. Aspire for ages 2 to 548. Paperback book, price 9.99. How many pages? 105. Look at the number of sales. It was added just December 28th. You see when they started preparing for this, guys. They added this book since December 2021, which is exactly what we should do. Focus on creating high quality books. Focus on a holiday, and you have a lot of time to prepare for that holiday. You see, they added this since December 28th, and they're preparing like how many months, like 1 to 3 months ahead of time. So the first early birds that started purchasing Valentine's Day presents got their books first, and that's how they started building sales and sales and sales. So these just tips that we should be taking account of when we look at best-selling books like this. So a niche number 4 is Valentine's Day activity books for kids. What kind of activities? I have mazes, word searches, coloring pages, and more. So it's just a mixture of everything. And they say kids, they would have specified what kind of kids. Is it kids ages 2 to 8, kids ages 10 to 11? You need to specify. But anyway, the book is doing quite well. Wow, 3 reviews. Sorry, 3 ratings out of 5, 1 review. Let's take a look at it on Amazon, see what is happening there. And number one new release, Children's Valentine's Day Book 2. And let's take a look inside. Why are they giving just 3 ratings for this book? What is the reason? So activity book belongs to so these are the activities. I couldn't see anything inside apart from this at the back of the pages. So this is another thing that we need to be doing. If you're creating a book like an activity book, I see you need to put pages on the back so that if we look inside like this and we can't see anything, we can definitely see something in the back. And also for those who have mobile devices, they can't they can't look inside the book. And that is only for those who are on desktops that can click inside and look inside the book like this. And even if we look inside the book, we still can't see anything based on how you design your interior. So if we can't see anything, placing the interiors like sample pages in the back of the book like this is very, very important for purchasing decisions for your customers. So that's another tip there. Let's move into the fifth niche and let's take a look at the ratings. Why is it just three? It's cute, but it stated that there were two books. Only got one, very misleading. Oh, I see. But where does it say that there were two books? Let's read the description. So don't try to mislead people, guys. You get bad ratings that's gonna affect your the overall ratings of your book, which is not good. Uh, tell people what they are getting. Let's see if they said anything about two books here. Except they have removed it by now. Children will have tons of fun with this Valentine's Day activity book query bills today. Except they have removed it when it says two books. Look, I don't see anything here that says two books. Anyway, that's about it. Let's go to the last niche of today. Last niche of today is this Happy Valentine's Day notebook. You see, my last perfect niche was a notebook too. It had this something related to boobs. I love you with all my heart. I love you all my boobs. I would have said heart, but my boobs are bigger. Yeah, that's what it said on the cover. And I showed you how you could create your own design and how you could automate it, upload it, and find the keywords and everything. That was my previous video. If you haven't watched it, I recommend that you do. So this is another notebook, 120 pages, 6 by 9 soft cover, which is what we all do at KDP. That's what we upload. Most of us upload. So it's great to see that a low content book like this, actually it's no content, a no content book like this is doing quite well. 7.99. Let's take a look at it. And except they have something in the interior that makes it different, because no content is basically the line pages, and it's a notebook, so I'm expecting that the pages are, yeah, like I said, it's line pages just empty like that. So price 7.99 over how many sales, guys? Over like 5,000 sales, 7 ratings, and all of them are good. This is quite a great way to make money online with notebooks. Although it is, some people say, oh, it's very, very saturated. Um, Although it's saturated, but you can focus on, you can niche down like this Valentine's Day niche. They're niching down to Valentine's Day niche. So that's about it, guys, for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about pre-notes plan and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.